Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Mario, and he's gonna be kind of running to one side, all right? Essentially jumping. So that's it. It's gonna be simple, step by step, completely for beginners. So let's hop right in, okay? What I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna draw a kind of curved, well, like circle right here for the nose. Curve up for kind of that start of that mustache. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve, okay? Curve again. Gonna kind of keep that going here with this. And it's gonna go around the corner here. Sweet. Gonna draw a curve line here, kind of for the eye area. And I'm gonna draw a line up. Draw a line up over here. And actually I am gonna close this one off. I'm gonna draw the inner eye now. So highlight, go right here for the far side eye, curve, and then curve here, curve right here for the inner eye, highlight over here. I'm gonna throw a dot there, and he's gonna have a pretty big dot right here, pretty big pupil. I'm gonna fill that in. Go over here, curve. Curve. Curve over here. Curve. Right on. Gonna go right here underneath. Curve over here. Pulling up, line up. And we're gonna draw over here the brim of his hat. So over here we're gonna draw that curved line for the top of his hat. Gonna go right here for the side of his mouth. Underneath for the chin. Curve over here for the side of the face. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull down, curve. Right there, it's gonna be for the sideburn. Curve over here for the ear, and curve for the ear. I forgot to actually do this, but well, a great thing to do is to fill in the mustache, because kind of like it just makes it look better, honestly, if you're gonna keep it black and white. You can also throw in color, but I would say it's a good idea to just kind of fill this in. Don't forget, by the way, there is a Mario playlist with all the Mario characters. Go to the top right corner of the screen right now, hopefully if I can put it right now. And you can kind of check that playlist out if you want, maybe save it for later. It's got everybody in there. It's got Toad, it's got Peach, Bowser, different versions of Mario, Luigi, all that stuff. Go check that out, okay? Kind of filling this in here. Right on. I'm gonna go over here and curve. Line over here. Curve. Curve over here on this side. Put a circle here at the front. Put that M, and we could give a little bit of 3D-ness to that M by tracing in another line. All right, cool, cool, cool. Let's go over here and draw a curve right here for the side of his body. Go right here for his arm, and it's gonna be kind of pretty, like right next to his ear because he's hopping. Line down. Curve back over here, and it's gonna curve right here into the body. Pull out over here. Down. Curve right here to the foot. And we're gonna draw his boot right here. Down, curve in, up, down. Curve right here for the line. Line down, curve underneath, up. Down over here, curve underneath. Gonna go over here and draw his other leg. Curve back. Up, down. Go over here to the foot, curve underneath. And you have that boot shape. Line. Line. Curve right here. Over here for the glove. Line right here for the thumb. And then you're just gonna kind of put in these marshmallow-like shapes for his fingers. Right there. See, like it's just a bunch of marshmallows. Gonna go back here for the wrist on his hand. And then you're gonna throw a regular fist like so. And just put a line through that. And there you go. That is Mario. Hope that was easy enough. What you can do if you want to improve it is you can actually throw a thicker line just around the outer edge of everything, and that's gonna contain it a lot more. Right? Don't forget, by the way, I post 3 lessons every single day on drawing anything. Stuff from Nintendo, stuff from Sega, you know, Pokemon, dinosaurs, Godzilla, I post Among Us. Do not forget to absolutely, you know, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if that stuff sounds pretty good. And yeah, hopefully you're chilling out, having a good evening right here, just kind of drawing, just kind of for fun. Right on. Well, thank you very much. You guys are awesome, and I'll talk to you next time. See you later.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.